Hello, I, Sanjeev Kumar, today present third and last part of 13 Steps to Bloody Good Wealth, written by Ashwin Sanghi and Sunil Dalal. Remember what Peter Lynch once said: invest in what you know. The Monkey Man. Once upon a time, a stranger arrived in a village and told the residents that he would be willing to buy monkeys from them for rupees 10 each. Familiar with the surroundings, jungles, the villagers know that there were many monkeys that could be easily caught in the forest. The stranger bought 2,000 monkeys over the next few days. As the availability of monkey began declining, the villagers began returning to their agricultural duties. The stranger upped his offer to rupees 20 per monkey. The excited villagers doubled their efforts and caught yet another 1,000 monkeys. Monkey now became a rarity. It was becoming impossible to find any. The villagers were about to give up when the stranger announced that he was willing to offer rupees 40. The tired villagers excitedly advised new ways to source monkey and managed to catch 500 more. The stranger then announced that owing to the scarcity of monkeys in the forest, he would now be willing to buy the animals for rupees 100 each. In the same breath, he told the villagers that he was going to the city on some important business, but his assistant would act on his behalf. The assistant shrewdly told the villagers, "My boss is mad. He has 3,500 monkeys in that massive cage and yet wants to buy more. Why don't you chaps buy the monkeys from me at rupees 50 each? And when my boss comes back, you can sell those animals back to him for rupees 100. There was a mad rush to buy the animals as the villagers dipped into their life savings to corner the monkey supply. Soon the massive cage was empty. The villagers had been paid rupees 60,000 to catch those monkeys, and they had parted with rupees 1,75,000 to buy them back. It is necessary to mention that neither the stranger nor his assistant were ever seen in the village again. You can't control what you can't measure. Let your money control you, and you will be forever stressed and strung out. Bring your finance under your control, and you will laugh all the way to the bank. Success comes to those who are willing to take the risk to follow their passion. Robert Kiyosaki insists that the rich don't work for money, rather, they generate assets that work for them. Very important Marwari mantras. According to the timber, Marwaris are disciplined and still stick to be principles such as watch the money, delegate but monitor, plan but have a style and system, lead to expand, don't let the system inhibit growth, don't get blown away by fads, don't miss new development. So, don't afraid of failure. Take calculated risks. Start small, but think big. In his book Wealth and Honors Manual, Michael Stolper notes that the three ways to become wealthy are winning the lottery, saving money over a really long period of time, and owning your own business. Every new investment decision bears the risk of being a mistake. Every new investment decision bears the risk of being a mistake. The famous English writer D.H. Lawrence said, "A man is as big as his desire." Narayan Murthy, one of the founder of Infosys, Riley commented, progress is often equal to the difference between mind and mindset. Happiness is not in the mere possession of money. It lies in the joy of achievement, in the thrill of creative effort. Frank D. Roosevelt. When you focus on only the short-term goals, you can't see the final destination your path is taking you to. In his book, Brain Drain, The Breakthrough That Will Change Your Life, Charles F. Glossman says, the mistake many of us make is the need and want for short-term gains, which often leads to long-term pain. Dhirubhai Ambani, the founder of Reliance, once said, if you don't build your dream, someone else will hire you to help them build theirs. Manager and leader. Managers are trained to solve problems, embrace process, and bring stability. On the other hand, leaders are all about innovation and creativity. Thank you. Last part in